I'm going to make a paper airplane. Fold the A4 sheet paper like this. Like this. Then fold it out again. Take this corner and fold it into a triangle, something like this. Take this corner and fold it too, like that. Take this corner and fold it backwards. Then you have to fold this corner again like it was. Something like this. Again, have to do it like this. Like something like this. Fold it again like that. And then fold this side too. Like this. Then take this little thing and you do something like that. Take your paper airplane. Do something like that. Take this paper airplane side. Make it something like that. This side too, something like this. And you got a paper airplane. Okay, let's see if it can fly. Let's test it. Whoa, it can fly. Perfect fit. Let's have some fun with a paper airplane. Whoa, this paper airplane is a rock. I have tons. Let's check them out. Check out the paper airplanes. They're really cool.